Let's take a look at synthetic division, but this time our dividend, the polynomial that you start with, is a cube, right? A cubic. And then we are dividing by actually x plus 5, not x minus. So what are we doing here? First, they already been nice and they dropped the variables for you and just wrote the numbers, right? So that's good. What you need to figure out is what to put in this box. That's the most important thing. So if your divisor, this guy right here, x plus 5, has to be written as x minus something. It's not x plus something. This something will go in this box right here. What are you going to subtract to get plus 5? Well, you're going to subtract minus 5, right? Because minus minus gives you a plus. So always remember that in the box over here, you want to put the opposite of what this is. So if this was plus 5, here you would put minus 5, okay? So that's very, very important because if you mess that up, then everything is wrong. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is just bring that 3 down over here. And then we're going to multiply the 3 we got by the number in the box. So 3 times negative 5, that's negative 15, which we're going to put over here. Next, we're going to add these two. Okay, so let me just open the calculator on the side. So it's going to be 2 minus 15, that's negative 13. That goes here. Now we're repeating the same thing. So we take the negative 13 and we multiply it by the number in the box. Negative 13 times negative 5 is 65. So put that here. Next, we're going to add up negative 17 and 65. Okay, that's 48. I promise we're almost done. Repeat again. Take the number here, multiply by the number in the box. So we got 48 multiplied by negative 5. That gives me negative 240. When I add them up, positive 240 and negative 240 gives me a 0. Now, the fact that it's 0 is super important. This 0 right here, this is called the remainder. Okay? And if the remainder is 0, then x plus 5 is a factor of this guy. It's going to be important. What does that mean, a factor? It means that you can take the original polynomial and then you can represent it as x plus 5 times something else. Okay? Generally plus remainder, but remainder is 0, so you're not going to have it. So what is this something else? So by the way, this is 0 right here. The remainder is 0. This something else can be reconstructed from this part. And what you do is think first. Okay, what did I start with? I started with the cubic polynomial. Now, cross out this cubic term. What's left? A squared term is left. That's where you're going to put it. So right here, x squared. Then the x term. And finally, a number. So your quotient is going to be 3x squared minus 13x plus 48. That goes here. 3x squared minus 13x plus 48. Now, you can check this by using FOIL, but I'm not going to do that.